Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House, part of our St. Patrick's Day Food Festival series. We are doing a beautiful Irish soul bread. We all need to know how to make this. So this is a brown bread. So we have wholemeal flour, plain flour. We've got porridge oats or rolled oats, and we're going to add in some soda, baking soda, and a pinch of salt into that. We're going to mix that around. So it's like a super simple bread to make. Anybody can make this. And it's nicely textured. And what's great about it, it actually stays fresh for about three days perfectly. Okay, so it's all mixed together. Now, we're going to put in some treacle into it. So it kind of gives you that lovely kind of caramel flavour off the bread, which is...
And if you can't find treacle in America?
You can find treacle in America, it's no problem. So it's black molasses. So there you go. And we're going to put in a whole egg. In there. And we have some buttermilk. Okay, and really you just need to get your hands in there and give it a good mix. And I kind of always describe this as kind of like, you kind of want like a sloppy mess. So it's quite wet, the mixture.
If you don't have buttermilk, can you use just milk or?
Well, I always, if I don't have buttermilk, I'll use milk and yogurt, combination of both. So, and that seems to work a treat as well. Same if you're making scones. Yogurt works really well on it as well. But buttermilk is pretty much, you can't get buttermilk in most places. So I've just got my 1 pound loaf tin, and I've just lined it with some butter. And just pop that in.
Can you do it in advance?
Which, the mixture?
Yeah.
Well, what I normally do is we would measure out all the dry ingredients in the bowl the day before, and then you just come in the morning and just put in the wet ingredients into it and into the oven. So I'm just going to put a little bit of porridge oats on top of the loaf, and that's going to go in at a low temperature, 160 degrees. And it actually takes about an hour to cook. So after about 45 minutes, I'll show you what to do. So pop that one in. So after 45 minutes, you can see it there. I take that out and I turn it upside down and put it in for the last 15 minutes like that in the tin. And you get a lovely even crust on the outside. But you can see there, it's a beautiful loaf of bread. And I'll just cut down the center of it so you can see it. Oh, lovely Irish soda bread that everybody's going to love.